the Faculty of Indigenous Medicine joined with one of the leading institutions in the wellness tourism sector of the country to introduce internship or industry training to the faculty undergraduates. The internship training program on wellness tourism for final professional BAMS students was a collaborative initiative under the Memorandum of Understanding MOU signed on 11th August 2023 between the Faculty of Indigenous Medicine, University of Colombo and Karunakarala Ayurveda Resort, Colombo, which specifically oriented towards a Japan-based niche market in wellness and Ayurveda health tourism. This kind of successful treatment procedures outside of the hospital setup, but here all the pre-procedures, the main treatment procedures, post procedures are well managed, well planned according to the vacation period of the specific patient, and there are specific patients which are unique for different kind of diseases, a vast range of diseases. The doctors are well talented, and also we are so happy to see such an equipped pharmacy here with a lot of medicines and a vast range of medicines here, and really happy to see that kind of treatment protocols going here, specifically taking from the diet up to the massages and everything. They are well planned according to the specific disease.
I was able to get a thorough knowledge about Ayurveda wellness, tourism, hospitality and hotel management, and it was a new experience to us. And also we got knowledge about how to communicate with the guests from different countries and how to treat them according to their body constituents. And also we got knowledge about how to treat and do panchakarma therapies according to their body types. And also we had meditation and yoga sessions in this resort, and I think it's helpful to everyone to enhance their spiritual aspect.
It's a very golden opportunity we got to stay 2 days, and actually I was so lucky to learn about so many things related to Ayurveda. We have learned them in theoretical, but actually all these things, the practical aspects was learned via the surrounding, and that's why I said that I was so lucky. Talking about what we have learned throughout our internship period, actually we have learned what is Ayurveda Resort and what's going on here, and how it's functioning, all those things. Furthermore, we have gained brief idea regarding what is wellness, and as Ayurvedic Resort, how we reach to the wellness to gain the outcome of the well-being. I believe it's really helpful. In this resort, we have experienced various kind of treatment procedures and yoga sessions, meditations, so on, and we experience it, and it's really nice.
And there's a well-equipped Vedagadara which has two well-qualified Ayurvedic doctors who perform Panchakarma and all the therapeutics for their guests according to their body constitution. And there's a yoga and meditation sessions also. So I would like to recommend this place who wish to enhance their physical, mental and spiritual well-being.
We also got the idea to be adaptable and capable of handling stressful situations calmly and efficiently. Overall, the expedition offered a fast-paced and exciting career path for those who are interested in hospitality, teamwork and delivering exceptional customer service.
They gave us a complete knowledge regarding the overall hotel setup, including the front office, lobby, kitchen and the security system and many other. Actually, we had a wonderful yoga and meditation session with a very good yoga instructor. I love the hospitality and the cooperation given by the whole staff.
なんとかしたいという考えがあります。皆様本当にありがとうございました。
Very honored to be present at this third anniversary and certificate awarding ceremony for this institute. Firstly, I think I have to commend Saman-san for the great work in carrying forward this institute, which I believe was established during the COVID difficulties. And we are gathering here for the third anniversary, so we have to commend him. Nice work. Thank you for the nice work.
Finally, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to Senior Professor H.D. Karunaratne, the Vice Chancellor of University of Colombo, Professor Patrage Kamal Pereira, the Dean of Faculty of Indigenous Medicine, University of Colombo, Mr. Samat Priyankara, CEO of Karunakarala Ayurveda Resort, Ms. Minami, the Principal of Karunakarala Ayurveda and Yoga Institute, Japan, and the staff of the resort, Professor Kaumudi Karunagoda, the Faculty Coordinator for International Office, Faculty of Indigenous Medicine, University of Colombo, Dr. Himali Disilva, the Faculty Coordinator for Career Guidance Unit, Faculty of Indigenous Medicine, University of Colombo. Thank you.